Let's see what number 7 sounds like. Pull it hard. Wow, you did it. You did the bell. What's number 6? Pull number 6 really hard. Number 6 now. Oh, it's a different sound. Oh, let's see number 5 when this one stops. Ready? Oh, I like that one. What about number 4? What does number 4 sound like? Oh, no. Oh, that's nice. What about number 3? Next one. Yeah, they're doing football as well in the olden days. Wow. Next. Do you like number 3? Ding, ding. We've got 2 more to do. Let's hear the sounds. Oh, that's a bit scary. Wow, should we do the last one, the final bell?
Why is it the loudest?
Ooh, it's number 1. Try it again. It's really hard, isn't it? Yeah, you did it. Good job. So, hey, look, so this is the bell. When you're pulling it, this is the rope. Wow, and then it tells you all the different sounds it makes. That was so much fun, wasn't it? Yay, do you like the museum, Eden?
Yeah.
Good job.
Here's our